guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Gutowski. So guys, today is October 7th, 2019, which means today is my 2-year on YouTube anniversary. I have officially been making YouTube videos for 2 years. Wow, that's kind of a long time, guys. So party it up in the comments down below because we have been on this journey for 2 years together now. So if you've been watching me for a day, a year, a month, a week, even if this is your first time seeing me, comment down below your favorite video you've seen this far. And if this is your first time seeing me, either go binge watch more of my videos after this and then comment down below, or you can just comment down below what you want to see on my channel in this new year to come. DIY Halloween costumes was actually the first video I had ever posted on my YouTube channel back in, I don't even know what year it was, 2017, 2018. It's right here. If you want to go watch that video after this, I definitely recommend going and watching it. Maybe just skip through the intro though, because I talked so quietly when I first started YouTube. I really didn't know how to speak, basically. But yeah, since that was my first video I ever posted on YouTube, I wanted to do another one for you guys this year, just because, you know, it's kind of like a whole full circle moment, and because Halloween is my favorite holiday ever, so I'm excited and I hope you guys are too. Everything that I used in this video was either bought at the Goodwill or Walmart or stuff that I just had in my closet already, so everything is super affordable and also really easy to get. And I also tried to throw in some like kind of weird Halloween costumes that you guys may not see in other places, and I just tried to like get creative, so try to keep that in mind when you're watching this video. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up for spooky season and Halloween. And yeah guys, with all that being said, let's get on to the video. And in honor of my 2nd year on YouTube, I have to say it. I just have to say it. It's a tradition. Time to get spooked. Okay guys, so this outfit is a Visco girl, but this isn't any Visco girl. Although she shares her scrunchies, this girl is a prison inmate. And the crime she's in for, you guessed it, she used a plastic straw. In the words of my Visco sisters, and I oop, maybe next time she'll think about the turtles. For this outfit, I'm of course wearing a classic oversized t-shirt that I got from the Goodwill, and all my scrunchies are from Amazon. That's always where I get them. You can get them in a super large pack for really cheap, so that's always a great place to get scrunchies. And I'm always using them in my hair anyways, so they definitely went great with this outfit. My water bottle is a thermo flask, and I got it from Costco. And on my feet, I decided to wear some white socks with these pink slip-on sandals that I got from Walmart. And my handcuffs are also from Walmart. Okay guys, so this next costume is an Australian safari mate, and this costume was super fun for me because I'm actually going to school to become a registered vet tech, and I really want to work with exotic animals. So guys, let me know down in the comments if you would come on my safari tour. The tan top that I'm wearing is from Forever 21, and I pretty much already had this in my closet, so it was super easy to find. My tan pants are actually from Walmart, and they're super cute and also really comfy. The shoes that I'm wearing are actually my favorite pair of Nikes, and I also have some scrunchies around my wrist, which are from Amazon. And the coolest thing about this outfit are my hat and my koala are actually from Australia, and they're from a subscriber. So thank you so much to Ale for giving me these when we met back in Australia. They're both so cute and definitely what inspired this look. Okay guys, next up, you guessed it, Little Red Riding Hood. This outfit is so cute and it was so fun to wear. I actually wasn't planning on doing this costume, but when I saw this skirt at the Goodwill, I had to put it together. For this outfit, you will need a red skirt, mine is from the Goodwill, a white top, mine is from Brandy Melville, and just an FYI, if you want to make this costume a little bit more school appropriate, I would opt out for maybe a white t-shirt or a tank top. And obviously you can't forget her red hood, which I found at the Goodwill. For my shoes, I'm wearing these short black heels from Steve Madden, and as you guys can see, I'm wearing these super adorable socks that they were selling at the Goodwill. They are so cute, and I was so surprised to see them there. And don't worry guys, they were in a package and completely new, so I didn't just go buy someone's like old stinky socks. Next up, we have the YouTuber Shane Dawson. I thought this costume would be super fun because I pretty much had everything already in my closet. For this costume, I chose his classic look of wearing his OMG pig t-shirt with some black pants and black shoes. My top is from Amazon.com/Shane Dawson. My leggings are from Forever 21, and my black boots are from H&M. I even went as far as getting his signature drink, which is Diet Root Beer, as well as my laptop and my external drive because him and Andrew are like always editing. Next up, we have a Laker girl. You can call it whatever you want, a sports fan or a cheerleader. This outfit was actually super fitting for me because this year I actually started to help coach Pop Warner cheer, so right now I've been doing cheer coaching, and I'm sure my team of girls will love this. All you're gonna need for this one is a sports team top of your choosing. I obviously chose the Lakers. A skirt that matches your team colors, and mine is from Forever 21. And you're also gonna need some white shoes and some white socks, and mine are from Nike. Oh, and obviously you can't forget your scrunchies. This next costume is an e-girl, which is kind of like a type of aesthetic of the way that you dress. If you're kind of nervous to step out of your comfort zone and try a different style, Halloween is like the best time to do it. I feel like you can just have fun and try to be an e-girl without your parents thinking you're going through some like weird phase they don't understand. For this outfit, I'm wearing a G-Eazy tour shirt that I got from going to one of his concerts. And underneath, I'm just wearing a black and white striped long sleeve turtleneck, which is kind of like an e-girl staple. My black shorts are, I believe, from Walmart, and then I just made some chains out of a belt that I got from Brandy Melville and a Forever 21 necklace. And for my shoes, I'm wearing these platform boots that I got from H&M. Costume is a little bit darker, but you guys know I couldn't end this video off without giving you guys a scary Halloween costume. This costume is from the movie Us, and it's one of the doppelganger tethers. In the actual movie, all the tethers wear red jumpsuits, but honestly guys, all the red jumpsuits that I saw online were too expensive, and also I would have had to order it off of like Amazon or somewhere. So instead I sat down and got to thinking, and I came up with pairing a red button up with red pants, and it looks exactly like a red jumpsuit, so that's what I ended up doing. The red button up that I'm wearing is from the Goodwill, and my pants I actually had in my closet already, but I was also able to find some red pants at the Goodwill, so they really weren't that hard to find. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing those same black boots that I got from H&M. I also was able to pick up this really cool mask, which is also from the Goodwill. And yeah guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it so much, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. That was my DIY Halloween costumes, and I even have a couple more costumes that I didn't get around to filming, so if you guys want a part 2 to this video, or if you want to see me do something else like DIY couple costumes, I can also do that with Nathan or like some of my best friends. So just comment down below what kind of Halloween videos you guys want to see this year. I definitely know I want to do some Halloween makeup tutorials, get more into like special effects and using like latex and stuff, so I'm gonna be trying that out this year. But as far as anything else like challenges, collabs, Halloween costumes you guys want to see me do or try to make, and yeah, just comment down below all of that. Like I said, today is our anniversary of being together on this journey and you guys watching me for 2 years now on YouTube, so that is obviously a super amazing accomplishment. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because we are almost at 100k subscribers, and if you're already subscribed, make sure to tell your family, your friends, your aunts, your uncles, your neighbors, the postman. Thank you guys so much much for everyone that has subscribed. I love you guys so much, and your support means the world to me. I love that we are creating this huge, large family of lovelies out there that are just so supportive and so kind and so nice. Like, guys, we don't even have, like, people aren't even, like, rude in the comments, and you guys are just so amazing. I love you. Like, come here, just, you know, give me a hug. Also, if you haven't noticed, I kind of came up with a name for you guys. I call you guys the Lovely Squad, or my lovelies, and yeah, let me know what you think about that in the comments, because I don't know if we want to be called the Mayonators, just because it's like, is that kind of basic, or is that a good name? Like, isn't everybody like the name and then naters after, like, you know what I mean? So let me know down in the comments. This video and this outro is getting way too long, so I'm gonna end the video. I'm trying to post this video today, so if you see this video on the 7th, which you are, because I'm posting today, I don't care. It's like current day. Isn't that cute? Okay, bye guys. Oh, and I also made a TikTok account, so if you want to go follow me, that's what's up.